In this video tutorial, we show you how to set up a poll service using OpenHouse. This service allows you to capture audience feedback, gather customer opinion, or run a survey. For example, an event management company recently used this service at the conclusion of a large conference to gather feedback from the attendees. To set up a poll service, log into OpenHouse and go to the Business Tools section. Click on the title, I want to know my customer's opinion, and then click on Polls. This opens up the service configuration page. Enter a service name that is easy to remember and can be searched easily later. We call it Attendee Poll. Provide a brief service description, in this case, get feedback from conference attendees for the event. Set a start and end date for your poll. Responses coming in after the set end date will be ignored. In this case, we set it to 1 week from today. Select a shortcode and enter a keyword. For this example, we use the keyword conf that I have rented already. To find out more about how to rent a keyword, please watch the tutorial Renting Resources on OpenHouse. Click on Add New to create a poll session and enter the poll question. Select the same timeline as before for this question. When you have multiple poll sessions running on the same poll service, this timeline may be different for each session. For the first question, I select 4 options from the drop-down number of options. The options type is set to numerical in this case. You could also have an alphabetic type. Enter your question text, in this case, how was the overall conference managed? Enter the options that you would like to provide to your respondents. The footer message is for action from the audience, showing the format of the expected response. In this case, we enter SMS your response option to 56263, example, Conference 1 to 56263. In the thanks message, provide a note that will be sent to your respondent such as, your response is very valuable to us, thank you. Click on Save Session. Let's enter the next poll question. Will you attend the conference again next year? We set 2 options, yes and no. Everything else is the same. If you want, you can set a different duration from the first. Click on Save Session. Each poll session can have multiple user notifications. For example, when the poll service has ended, the end user may be sent a message indicating that the poll has ended. Enter the appropriate messages in these notifications. Finally, click on Submit. Now that the service is submitted, go to the My Services in the top navigation. Here you can find the new Attendee Poll service. Click on Manage to first locate funds to the service. Click Manage Funds and depending on the number of responses you expect, check against the rate card to allocate funds here. Once this is done, you can launch the service. Your service is now live and can be used by anyone. See, so simple and yet so powerful. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please remember that you can find several other tutorials for different mobile engagement services in the Learning Centre. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter for the latest updates. For more information, don't hesitate to get in touch with our team at support.openhouse@IMImobile.com. Hope to see you on OpenHouse soon.